Hello there guys, and welcome back to another video. Now this is an unboxing video of the classic headphone made by Miniso. So they are, if you don't know, they are a Japanese company, and this is their headphones. You see this is foldable, and of course it's made from music. You can also make calls with it, and has a mic on it, so if you want to make videos you can, with this thing, you can do that. You see right here it says with microphone. Can't really see it, but as you can see right here, got the back of it. It's really simple, just shows up some other stuff right here, some Japanese stuff. See, here's the foldable headphone, orange and black. You can get green and black of this, and also pink and black. I don't know the other colors, but we didn't when we went to Miniso, those were the color options for it. So you've got some other specs right here. Actually, not really specs, but some text right here. Just gonna go get into the unboxing of it. It's already ripped up because I've been using this for more than 1 week now. So this is how you unbox it. Alright, there you go, got the headphones. Just gonna tap out with some tape. And these are the headphones. It's already ripped off, as you can see. It's already unboxed it before, but just put it in the box again so you know what to expect when you buy this. See right there, got the headphones. See, they're very compact. They're not the most huge headphones, but they are very high quality for the price. So the price is down below if you want to take a look at that. You can see it's really soft material right here, look at that. And also at the top here is very soft as well, and here as well. And this is adjustable, so you can just adjust that. This as well. I like to use it in this level. They are foldable, you can see. Really nice when you're gonna take this wherever you want. See, so you've got the cable here, and this is braided cable, so it's gonna be really durable when you're gonna use this. We've got here the play and pause button, and also the microphone, as you can see right there. Got the 3.5mm headphone jack right here. It's a really unique design right here. Got some text right here, it says made in China. So this is made out of plastic, but still feels very nice. And I think that's basically it. I can't really show you how, I can't really tell you how this exactly sounds, but it's really nice so far that I've been using it. And yeah, they are very high quality. It produces a really good bass. And yeah, I think that's just about it for this little unboxing and hands-on for this for these headphones. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if you want more videos of these, and also Suits Racing if you didn't know. But yeah, stay blue, friends. Goodbye.